In today's video, I will be preparing Rajma Chawal. This is a popular recipe across Punjab. In this video, I will be showing you the full course meal. So stay back and watch the entire video. This is daily recipes and you will be learning something new today. Now let's start the procedure for this recipe. Firstly, you will have to cook the kidney beans till they are soft. Here I will be cooking them in a pressure cooker. To the pressure cooker, add a cup of kidney beans which are soaked overnight. Then add salt, cinnamon, 2 green cardamom, some bay leaves, and water to completely drown the beans. Cook on medium heat for up to 8 whistles from the pressure cooker. Once cooked, the beans should look something like this. Now for the masala, add 3 tablespoons of oil to a hot pan. Once the oil is hot, add some bay leaves and 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. When cumin seeds starts to splatter, add 2 green chilies. To this, now add 1 large finely chopped onion. Saute the onions until it is translucent. Now add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and saute further. Once the onion is golden brown, add a pinch of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, half tablespoon coriander powder and half tablespoon cumin powder. Let all the powdered ingredients fry in oil until they release their aromas. Now add the tomato puree. Here I have used 5 medium-sized tomatoes for the puree. Saute until oil releases. Once the oil releases, add the boiled beans along with the broth. Now add salt to taste, keeping in mind you have already added some salt while cooking the beans. Saute further for the beans to absorb the flavors of the masala. At this stage, add some kasuri methi and fresh coriander. Now your Rajma masala is ready to be served. To go with Rajma masala, we shall prepare some jeera rice. For jeera rice to be prepared, add 3 tablespoons of oil to a pressure cooker. Once the oil is hot, add bay leaves, 2 cardamom, 2 cloves, 4 to 5 peppercorn, and 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. Once cumin seeds start splattering, add 1 cup soaked rice. I have soaked rice for about 15 minutes before adding it to the recipe. Saute the rice till oil gets coated to the grain so that it doesn't stick to each other. To this add 2 cups of water and some salt to taste. Once the water starts boiling, cap the pressure cooker and allow for 2 whistles. When the cooker releases pressure, Rajma Masala is ready to be served with jeera rice along with some onion rings and cucumber slices. If you liked what you saw, then give this video a like. To learn more like it, consider subscribing. We upload videos like this twice a week. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.